off angle, wind is nice and strong, so the chances to get close to them is good. Okay. Because the dam, the open area to the dam is right here. Wait for them to move. Wait for them to move. When you're ready, take your time. Great shot. Wait. You can hit, wait. When he stands, you can hit him. Hit him. Excellent. Okay, come with me. Put 2 bullets in. Excellent. Oh my word.
Again?
No, just wait for him. Wait for him. Okay, hit him. Wait. Wait for that other one. He's not going to go anywhere. He's not going anywhere. Okay, come around here with me. Come around. He's the second from the right. Wait, you can see him, right?
Yeah.
Give it to him. Great, wait. Put another bullet in. Okay, wait. Just going to watch what's going to happen here. We're going to have a dominance display here now. These young sub-adult bulls and subordinates of, remember this used to be their leader.
Mm-hmm.
So we're going to have a dominance display now. There's another nice old bull coming over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, number 5, facing dead on towards us. There's another one that's the second in command there that's coming in now.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my God, he's so beautiful. So beautiful. Just want to make sure where he goes, and then I want you to give this one an insurance shot in between his shoulder blades. He is dead already, but we want to make 100% sure that we do this safely, and then we're going to start our approach on him.
Between the slit spots.
Yes, so I'm going to take us right over here,
Okay.
and then you'll have a... It sounds like a death pillar. Just give him a minute, and we keep our eyes on these bulls over here, and make sure that nothing's going to surprise us from the side.
Okay.
So I feel very safe now, because I can see all around me.
Right.
I can see those buffalo, I can see the down buffalo. I've got 360 degrees around us that's open, and it's safe for us here to shoot if we need to shoot ourselves out of a situation, which we're not going to need to do. See that nice bull over there?
Mm-hmm.
He's gorgeous. He's beautiful.
It's prettier.
That's it, buddy. Okay, come. Let's do it. Okay. That is a big buffalo. one in between your shoulder blades. That's it. Yeah, he's done. You can just give him a minute. Damn, buddy. You just shot a beautiful cab buck. We're going to give him a minute or two. Just to make sure we've given him an insurance shot. You shot 4 excellent shots. 2 off the sticks, 2 freehand, and a nice insurance shot now. And then I just like to give them a bit of time when they're down.
Right.
You don't want him to get up and
Hurt somebody.
hurt one of us, hurt one of our trackers or skinners or anyone else. Have a bullet in case.
One in case.
Yes, because we're not 100% sure if he's dead yet.
Okay.
So we're going to approach from the back. I'm going to tell you when to stop, and then I'm going to go and approach and just touch him on his bum and see if he reacts. I'm also just going to click my fingers like this. Then if I see the movement of his ears, then I know he's still alive.
Okay.
Buddy.
I see one of my holes.
Yes. Listen to this. This is how you know you've shot a hard boss buffalo bull. If it's soft, oh buddy, that is cool. That's what you came here for. This is what we've been speaking about for
A long
a year and a half, more than a year and a half.
Mm-hmm.